Hi, I'm Vance Turner, and behind me is the third generation of the Oxyhydrogen pulse detonation water pump. I only have a few minutes to speak with you as to why this technology will represent the way that hydrogen gas is utilized to do most industrial-based work. This pump is special because of a number of reasons. We actually take hydrogen and oxygen gas that we've separated from water. We detonate that in a Mach 4.5 shockwave or higher. We create a small portion of superheated steam, and the detonation, depending on the size of the charge that we start with, also accomplishes what is called thermolysis of water, breaking it into additional hydrogen and oxygen gas. That is used to extend the detonation and the ultimate high pressure that we reach in this process. Each time that we detonate, it resets to a 2.2 psi absolute pressure that allows us to boil water at 130 Fahrenheit. The thermodynamics of this pump are nearly perfect and superior to all other known work cycles to date. This is because there are 3 functions that create pressure and 2 that create vacuum, all working in conjunction with each other to create this superior model. The 3 that create pressure is 1, the Mach 4.5 or higher shockwave. 2 is the superheated steam of the detonation of the hydrogen-oxygen gas in the presence of the water within the combustion chamber. And 3, there is a small portion of additional work that is accomplished via the water being converted into additional hydrogen and oxygen gas through the process of thermolysis, along with the dissolved oxygen that is in the water to accomplish additional work. The 2 that create vacuum are the immediate condensation of the superheated steam back into a liquid because of the mass of the system, and the second being the implosion of the hydrogen and oxygen gas to convert back to liquid water within the system, creating a closed cycle that is not open to the atmosphere. At the end of the detonation, the pump resets its vacuum to 2.2 psi absolute. The low pressure 2.2 psi absolute vacuum that we achieve with this pump allows us to boil water at 130 Fahrenheit and accomplish low pressure flash distillation in line with most energy footprints used to just transport water. So because of this, we will be able to not only move water, but also be able to boil water to remove its contaminants in the same energy footprint.